Hi everyone, welcome back to Vijay Datta chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss about the pH scale. What is pH scale? In the ionic equilibrium also known as acid, bases and salts. Majorly here we are going to study about the acids, bases and salts. See, what is the pH scale? This pH scale, let me write pH scale. This pH scale introduced by was introduced by S.P.L. Sorensen. Who has introduced S.P.L. Sorensen? He is the scientist who has introduced the pH scale. How to define a pH scale then? So definition of pH scale: pH of a solution. This pH scale is nothing but the scale we use to measure the acid and acidity of a solution and basicity of a solution. So this is the range actually from here to here. This is the pH of a solution. So one solution is given, that solution's acidic character, what is its basicity, we want to know. Then we can use this pH scale. Okay. So now we are going to check the definition of pH. pH of a solution pH of a solution is defined as the negative logarithm of negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion. Negative logarithm base 10 actually here. Negative logarithm to the base we have to write to the base 10 of the activity base 10 of the activity AH plus AH plus of hydrogen ion, concentration of hydrogen ion actually. This is the definition for pH. Negative logarithm to the base 10 of the activity of hydrogen ion. So simply we can write pH is equals to negative logarithm the base 10 of concentration of H plus ion. This is the formula for the pH of a solution. Okay, so in the given solution there will be H plus and sometimes OH minus ions also will be there in the bases, no? Then that one we consider as POH equal to negative logarithm of base 10 concentration of OH minus. Suppose if you want to write a pKa, that is nothing but Ka is called acid dissociation constant. Simply if you want to find pKa, negative logarithm base 10 Ka. If you want to find base dissociation constant pKb, then negative logarithm to base 10 Kb. Ionic product of water. Already in the previous videos we have discussed. The pKw value is 14. That pKw value to find the formula is negative logarithm of concentration of ionic product of water. So not only for the H plus and pH means negative logarithm to base 10 to H plus. POH also will be there. The POH of the given solution to calculate negative logarithm to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. Acid dissociation constant, base dissociation constant, ionic product of water also even we can use. Right? See, for any aqueous solution, the sum of pH and POH depends on the ionic product of water. See, ionic product of water already in the previous, I'll give in the description box my link. Link will be given in my description box. That KW value, how to calculate the KW already in the previous videos I have discussed. If you want, you can see over there. Okay, let us see the pH value and POH values will be depends on the ionic product of water. Then what is the relation between the pH and POH here? See, the pH, the sum of pH and POH will be equals to pKw. KW value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 mole square per liter square. We know that. mole square per liter square. Though the pKw value, if you apply the negative logarithm to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14, already I discussed log a power n will be n log a. So the power will comes to the before, then minus into minus plus 14 log 10. Already we know it is base 10, log 10 base 10 value will be 1, then it is 14. So pKw value is 14. So pH plus pOH value always will be equals to 14. pH and pOH values will be 14. Sometimes they can ask like this also. That is, they given pH negative log 10 base 2 concentration of H plus. I want to, so pH is given, they are asking to calculate the H plus. Then concentration of H plus equals to this minus comes to minus pH, and this 10 comes to the exponential like. So 10 to the power of minus pH. From pOH, negative logarithm of OH minus. This one simply, you want OH minus ion concentration to calculate, then 10 minus comes, then 10 to the power of pOH. pKa, pKw, even you can write even like that also. So this is the relation between pH and pOH is equals to 14, and also relation between the pH and concentration of H plus. Sometimes by giving the H plus and concentration, and they can ask to calculate the pH. Sometimes pH will be given and they can ask to calculate the H plus ion H plus ions concentration. So like this also we can use. See, this pH and pOH is equal to 14 at 25 degrees Celsius, means at room temperature 298 Kelvin, because pKw value 14 will be at room temperature only, because ionic product of water is time dependent. So compulsory pKw value at room temperature only, pH plus pOH will be equals to 14. So according to this, at room temperature means at 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin, the pH range for the given solutions will be in between 0 to 14. So 0 to 14. So the pH scale range lies between 0 to 14. See, already previous we discussed the concentration of H plus and concentration of OH minus ions. Concentration of OH minus ions in pure water or in neutral aqueous solution, the values will be 10 to the power of minus 7 mole per liter, and OH minus ion concentration also 10 to the power of minus 7 moles per liter. So it is where at room temperature. This is at 298 Kelvin. This is at 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin. Concentration of H plus will be 10 to the power of minus 7. Concentration of OH minus will be 10 to the power of minus 7. So I want pH value at 25 degrees Celsius. Then negative logarithm to 10 to the power of minus 7 base 10. So 7 comes to the front. Minus into minus plus 7 log 10 base 10, which is equal to 7, because log 10 base 10 value will be 1. Now pOH I want. Even pOH also the same only, no. OH minus concentration is also 10 to the power of minus 7. Then it is also 7 log 10 base 10, which is equals to 7 only. So pH belongs to acids, pOH belongs to bases. So acid and base range, acids range will be 7, bases range will be 7. So we can take the at 25 degrees Celsius, pH and pOH scale range will be, that neutral solutions values will be 7. So let us see some common substances pH. What is that some common substances pH? In our stomach also there will be some acids, which is called as gastric juice, that will be present in our stomach. Pancreatic juices, like we'll tell, by PC students will know. So, those are the common, those values will be fixed. See, the pH of gastric juice pH will be 1.2. So it is acid. See here, this is 0 to 14, in between 7. These 0 to 7, these are acids. 7 to 14 are bases. 0 to 3, strong acids. 3 to 7, weak acids. 7 to 10, weak bases. 10 to 14, strong bases. This is called pH scale. The pH concentration it is. The concentration of H plus or OH minus between 0 to 3, that is a very strong acid. Gastric juice pH value is 1.2, very strong. See here, exactly 7, that is nothing but from 6.45 to 7. That will the water's pH value. pH value of water is 7 because water is neutral. It is not an acid, it is not base. It is neutral. That's why we are touching with our hand. We are drinking directly. But whatever the drinking water is there, no pure water that cannot dissociate, that cannot conduct. Okay, when there is a little bit of salts will be present, that water can conduct the electricity. Whatever the pure water we are taking, we are drinking. Distilled water like will be there in the laboratories. The distilled water even that does not have that salts also. If you take normal drinking water, you will get the unrequired products while doing the lab. That's why in the lab distilled water only we have to use. Why? Because the distilled water is completely pure water. Even not 0.001% of the salts also will not present in that. Even if that salt is present also, maybe whatever we are doing, that salt will be react with that and will gives the unrequired products. That's why in the laboratory we have to use the distilled water, not the regular drinking water. We are not supposed to be used. Got it? So this is the ranges of the pH range. Blood plasma, this is gastric juice, pH value is 1.2, which is very strong acid. And blood plasma will be 7.4, which is a weak base because it is value is 7.4. 7.4 is nothing but it is in base, which is in 7.4, that is a very weak base. 7.4 will be very weak base. Egg, if you consider, egg is also weak base. That's value will be egg pH value will be 7.8. And blood plasma value will be 7.4. These two are weak bases. 1.2 it is a strong acid. So the pH scale helps us to identify which is a strong acid, which is the weak acid, either which is the neutral. That values will be given. Like this Sorensen used the pH scale. He has he has introduced the pH scale to identify the given solution, either an acidic or basic, by checking its pH values. Okay, students. In our next video, we'll go through some more concept in the pH scale. We'll do some problems based on the pH also. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.